Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to record shows and movies on YouTube TV using its unlimited cloud DVR feature. Recording allows you to watch your favorite programs later at your convenience. Let's learn how to set up recordings. Recording shows and movies on YouTube TV is straightforward. You can set up recordings from the YouTube TV app on any of your devices, including smart TVs, streaming sticks, mobile devices, and web browsers. There are a few ways to initiate a recording. One common way is from the Live TV guide. Navigate to the Live guide within the YouTube TV app. Find the program you want to record, highlight or select the program listing. On the details page for the program, you should see an option to add it to your library. This is typically represented by a plus icon or a button that says Add to Library. Selecting Add to Library will automatically set that program to record. If it's a TV series, adding it to your library usually sets it to record all upcoming airings, including new episodes and sometimes reruns, depending on the series settings. Another way to record is by searching for a show or movie. Use the search function within the YouTube TV app or website to find the title you want to record. Once you find the show or movie in the search results, select it. This will take you to its details page. On the details page, you will see the same plus or add to library option. Selecting this will add the title to your library and automatically set it to record future airings if it's a series, or record the current or next airing if it's a movie or special event. You can manage your recordings in the library section of the YouTube TV app. Here you can see all the shows, movies, and events you have set to record or that have already been recorded. You can also adjust recording options for series, such as choosing to record only new episodes or all episodes. Remember, YouTube TV offers unlimited cloud DVR, so you don't need to worry about running out of space, and recordings are generally saved for 9 months. We hope this video helped you learn how to record shows and movies on YouTube TV. If you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips and guides.